Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change batteries on your Vaser lock. So guys, this is a smart lock I have, and I'm going to change batteries and I'm going to show you because in my home security system I'm getting low battery alert. The very first thing, we'll open this panel. So what we are going to do, we are going to use a fine screwdriver, something like this, and there are two screws. One is this side, another one this side. So take them off one by one, but yes, don't lose them. Okay, so I have taken those screws off. Say keep them safe. Okay, and take this outside panel off. Okay, now here on top you're gonna have batteries. So these are, it's very easy to pull. Okay, and see it has got a direction too. That door is in this direction, so just take it off. Okay, and now change the batteries to new one. Now the batteries have been replaced and I am I'm gonna put it back. Just follow the directions. It's pretty simple. Okay, and then did you hear this? So basically my system has detected it, new batteries, and just put the cover back, and the screws that I had taken off earlier I'm gonna put on their sides, and that's it guys, and then it will be all good to go. So that is how it works guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.